Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So this thing has now run 2,117 sort of things, and it has checked for errors about that many times, and it's come up with 22. But right now I can see that the last time or two it didn't really go through. So there's our little program. We'll check drive 0. We'll check drive 1. And indeed, it has not been happening. So I think we're going to make a slight change. Oh yeah. I'll just go down here and do it. I'm going to try and change this to 230. Oops. Back up. D0. Oops. 2. D1. So instead of copying, and you know what? I don't need. I don't need line 200 as it sits. Turn that into a rem. So I don't really need to header it. I do not. Now, that many errors, when considering all the times that it's checked for errors, that's pretty minimal. I mean, when I was back in the TPUG office and we were copying disks, even perfect 4040s on occasion had issues. Things happen. They do. So, let's see, while I'm here, I think this disk here is the one that I have been writing to. I think catalog D1. Tickle the drive, tickle the drive, tickle the drive. That's not the one. Alright, what is up with that? Maybe it was the one I was using, but on the other side. Aha. So I will desave for mint. Oops. 5, comma, D1. Alright. Good. I will flip it over. Put it back in. And say, let's just have a look at both of these. I suppose while I'm here, I could take this disk out, this menu thing, stuff that I don't know what it is. And I could try to do a directory on another disk. What is this called? Atari Collection Sound Effects. Ooh. I see. Well, there's a bunch of stuff on there. There is. I don't know what it all is, but so be it. So D1 has some stuff. Oh, okay. Now we're going to try to have this one back up onto that one. And I suppose what I should do, because I can, I should go up here. I should move up here. I should change this to 9. Because you know what? I don't need it to do this over and over and over. Or, sorry, 99 times before it does it 10 times. So, one thing I am going to do as I run this is I am going to tickle the drives. And what does that mean? It means closing the doors once the drives have started to spin. like the late 1541s and also the 8050s and 8250s. When you put a new disc in, it would automatically spin them. Helps get them centered, helps get them happy. And I think the 1571 does that too. I think. So we'll just see how this goes. It's running through the initializing in the directories, and it's going to get to number 10, which is almost now, and it's going to start to back up. And when you back up, first of all, it goes go off, right in this case, it will go off to drive 1 and format. Make sure that's all good. And the lights both stay on steady. And away we go. It will be interesting to see if this disc, see these discs, there's a box here I've never looked at. Got all kinds of things in here. What is this? I don't know. I'll have to investigate these. I'm pretty sure they're mostly for the Commodore 64, but in terms of copying things, it shouldn't make any difference at all. It should not. Alright, you hear those noises? That means the backup procedure has begun. And it is a complete track. Every track in every sector will be copied. Oh, and it came up with an error. Yep, that did not work. That funny little non-directory looking thing is a typical sort of I tried to do it, but it didn't work thing. Oh, well. Maybe this time through, as it issues the backup command, I will tickle the drive. I will. So when I hear it sort of do its thing, which should be about now, I will open drive 1, close drive 1, tickle it, and see if it does any better. I will find some other discs. I have lots of discs around. Probably they're in the box room. I'm surprised Penny isn't here. At the top of a 4040 gets beautiful and warm. And cats just love to curl up on them. So drive 1 is formatting. All right. Both drives are active. Let's see what happens here. I hear heads a-banging. Not surprising, as who knows how old these discs are and what's what. Is the error light. The error light came on, and we're back to the same old. Nope, not really. Nope, not really. Nope, not really. Alright. Well, I suppose then, what I will do, we'll just do it this way. 230. Copy. Copy D0 to D1, and I will need this back. So, oh yeah, I think I'll just leave it like that. So there is the program, and instead of the backup, we'll try the copy command again. It might work, it might not. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know what is on there. I suppose I should fire up a 64. Let's see what I can see. Anyway, And who knows, whatever. If there could be errors, there could be weird protection schemes, I don't know. But anyway, I'm pretty happy that this drive is happy. If you've been watching previous episodes, you would have seen that, indeed, okay, we're headering. There was a broken belt. A broken belt on the drive 0 of this one, and I had a replacement from all my tinkerings, and it's all good. So, hello. This is the pet that has the cool, what would I call it? Extra sort of glare screen thing. So, the copying has begun. So this is when it goes file by file by file by file. And already I hear bad noises. And indeed, we have errors. It's funny, it almost seems to be the third file. Very strange. Very strange indeed. Oh, well, we'll leave this to torment and see if anything changes. But I will look for other discs that I'm sure of, that I trust, and see what I can see. Anyway, thanks for coming. Hope you're enjoying this little bit of programming and torment and torture. That's the nice thing about these computer things. If you want to torment and torture them, you just write a little program, walk away, see what happens. Oh, okay, it is formatting again. Because that's what it does when you have it do it every 10 times. And I'm suspecting. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open drive 0 until I hear it get to the point where it would like to do the copying, and I will do the tickle thing and close the door as it starts to spin, just in case. Now remember, I still have to clean the heads, grease the rails. Alright, we should be getting to just about the time that it will suddenly crank up drive 0. There it is. I will tickle it. And we'll see if that made any difference at all. Or not. The answer seems to be, or not. But that's not surprising when you're dealing with discs. Yep, same thing. That you're not familiar with and you can't really trust. So be it. Oh well. Oh well. Anyway, these discs need to be explored on a 64, and I suppose they will be at some point. But for the moment, that's it. That's all. I will leave this to continue to torment. I shall. So, just as I feel the top of the drive, it's gently warm, not burning up, and that's good. I do have a lot of little vent holes, and that was a beautiful idea. Oh, it's going to start into this again, so I'm afraid soon it will die. Not die, but it will give us more errors. And you know. These things happen. They do. Maybe we'll just wait for the errors. This 4 errors and 30 attempts. That's what that really means is the first 20 times the thing failed twice. it did. Somehow the error message, here we go. The error message just seemed to linger for 2 rotations. So this one has failed twice. Undoubtedly, it will fail the 3rd time in a moment. We will hear that clankety clankety clank. There we go. Clankety clankety clank. And we're done again. We're done. And it will go back. And it will show the directory. Anyway. We will carry on. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.